Good morning, all of you. Hello, students. Good morning. Good morning, all of you. Class preparatory? Okay, Shanchayan, Ishan, Brintika, Shrestha, Shamadrita. Who is there? Nav. Okay. Asma. Okay. Everybody are here. Okay. Everybody. No? Okay. Now, good morning. Okay, a very good morning to all of you. So, today what we will learn? Because we have already started that lesson, my body. So, have you learned those names already? I have taught you previous days. So, my body, there was already we learned our head, eye, nose, ear, neck, arm, fingers, palm. Okay, so many names already we have learned. So, this is our my body. This one is going on. Today, we learn 4 names today. The last part of our body, we learn 4 names today. Let's start at first. Here we have already the picture with us. So let's restart today. Okay, here I will give the pictures here. Okay, so this is a main portion of our body. This is total, this is leg portion, and what we will know about this portion. This portion is called, what you know, this is called, this portion it is called knee. We don't pronounce the K, only we say knee. K N double E, knee. What will say? K N double E. Say with me, K N double E, knee. K N double E, knee. What will say? K N double E, knee. This portion is called knee. Okay, this portion is called elbow and this joint portion is called knee. Okay, and after knee, this line, this portion is, it is called, this part is called leg. L-E-G, leg. L-E-G, leg. What will say? L-E-G, leg. So, K-N-E-E, knee, the joint, this portion is called, this part of this body is called knee, and this part is called L-E-G, leg. L-E-G, leg. Okay. So, next there is another picture with me. Okay. Now it is here. You can see we stand with our legs and this portion, this part, it is called toe. It is called toe. T-O-E. It is called toe. Okay. This we call this portion, these fingers of our leg, it is called toe. Our hands, this is called finger, these are called fingers, and for our leg portion, it is called, leg fingers are called toe. And so many fingers we have, this is called toes. T-O-E-S, toes. Okay, 1, is called toe and many are called toes. Just like one finger is called finger and 10 fingers are called fingers. S we add here. And also our leg fingers are called toes. T-O-E-S, toes. And this part, it is called foot. We play with our foot. Football we can play using our foot. So F-O-O-T, foot. F-O-O-T, foot. Okay. So leg fingers are called toes and this part of our body is called foot. We used to play football with our foot. Okay, like this. This part is called palm. We can clap with our palm, and this part is called foot. We can play football with the help of our foot. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 names already today we have learned. Now this is the time for our activity. So we learn 4 names. You will also say with me. K-N-E-E, knee. L-E-G, leg. T-O-E-S, toes or T-O-E, toe. F-O-O-T, foot. F-O-O-T, foot. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 names with us. Now, in activity, we will do one more thing. What can we do, you know? Now, we do here one fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Okay? Okay? Okay, now fill in the blanks. We will do just T-O dash. T-O dash. So the spelling is toe. Yes, correct. T-O. Shrestha, very good. All of you. Yes, toe. Very good. Okay, yes. T-O-E, toe. Okay, Ishan is also there. All of you. T-O-E, toe. Okay. Now, chat box. T-O-E, toe. So, after that, K-N dash E. All of you here, very good. So, K-N dash. Okay, Asma, knee. Okay, Shrestha, knee. Okay. Nivedita also, yes. Yes, Shubham, also Brintika also, Shanchan is there, Shutanvi there, Navya there, Mriganko there. Okay, very good. So, Mriganko also there and Ishan is also typing here now. Okay, so, yes. So, Ishan is also knee. K-N-E-E, knee. Very good. K-N-E-E, knee. Now I'll do another fill in the blanks. There it is F dash O T. What is the answer? F dash O T. F dash O T. Okay, Asma. Okay. Okay, Nivedita. Shubham. Okay. Shrestha, okay. Navya, okay. Mriganko, okay. Shutanbi, okay. Ishan, okay. 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 Shamadrita, okay. Brintika, okay. Okay. So, now, Ape double O-T foot. Ape double O-T foot. Now, L dash G. What is the answer? L dash G. L dash G. So, okay. Asma, okay. Shrestha, okay. Shubham, okay. Nivedita, okay. Navya, okay. Brintika, okay. Okay. Shanchayan, okay. Mriganko, okay. Ishan, okay. Sutanbi, okay. Now, L-E-G, leg. The answer is L-E-G, leg. Now, I'll erase this one. Okay. So, because now, previous day already we learned some name. We just practice that one also. F I dash G E R S. Now you will write down the answer. F I dash G E R S. Okay. Okay. Shrestha, okay. Asma, okay. Nivedita, okay. Shubham, okay. Brintika, okay. Ishan, okay. Sutanbi, okay. Shanchayan, okay. Mriganko, okay. Navya, okay. Shamadrita, where are you? Navya, okay. Okay. So now, if I N G E R S, fingers. So now, P A dash M. Now you will write down the answer. Okay. P A dash M. Okay. Asma, okay. Okay. Shubham, okay. Nivedita, okay. Navya, okay. Sutanbi, okay. Mriganko, okay. Brintika, okay. Shanchayan, okay. Ishan, okay. Shrestha, okay. Now, P-A-L-M, palm. So now, E-L dash O dash. Now I will practice again. Here we P-E-L dash O-W. What will be the answer? E-L, yes. B-O. Okay, very good everybody. Shubham, Asma, Shrestha, Nivedita, Mriganko, Brintika, Sutanbi, Shanchayan. Okay. So, E-L-B-O-W. The answer is elbow. Ishan is also typing. Okay, let's see. Okay, Ishan and Navya also. Very good. So, today we learned those names. Already we have practiced that one, and previous work also we have practiced. Next day we will do another work. Okay, new work. Just only for you. So, now everybody, whatever you learn, all name already you have learned, you will just practice that one in home. Till now, you will join with us. Tata! Have a good day for today. Tata, everybody. Love you, all of you.